Scholars in the United States are beginning to doubt the way the country's trade deficit with China is calculated. President Donald Trump announced on Friday that the U.S. will reduce its trade deficit with China from an estimated $370 billion to $200 billion by 2020. In an analysis published by the TV network CNBC, the author says the estimated figure does not account for value-added exports. It says if those exports are taken into consideration, the U.S.'s deficit is only half of what the estimate is. The article uses the Apple iPhone as an example. The export balance for an iPhone accounts for the full $500 price tag, but in reality, China only adds anywhere from $15 to $30 of that total value. The analysis points to Samsung in South Korea adding most of the value, $150, as well as Apple, the brand owner and engineer.